Everyone. So we waited for 2 hours, so waiting will be there. So I'm going to tell you how my preparation started. So Mike, okay. So I started my preparation in the initial years of my degree. Actually in the very first year, my entire journey, I can classify this into 4 stages. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and stage 4. In very first stage, means in, Madam okay, in very first stage, how it happened now? So I was like dreaming like every movie, means every single individual who was seeing like movies, all those things, means my dream wants to become like IAS officer, means Telugu movies will be there now. So watching Telugu movies and dreaming like that, it was like that. So in that stage, means in that stages, what we will be thinking is like, whatever we are going to read that one only. So we are going to read everything on that part. So in the second stage, means after 2 years, so I started thinking that one. So whatever I was reading, it was like just waste of time. I need to read beyond this one, means very simplified thing I need to read and very small content I need to read to clear the examination. So from that point, actual preparation started. So from that, how we started now? So it started after 2 years. I came here, I came in contact with the Keshav sir. He started guiding us how to prepare for this civil service. From that point, I came to know whatever the preparation I have done till now, it was like waste of time. So I need to be guided thoroughly and guided in a very conducive manner for this examination. So after this one, means after 2 or 3 years, I started thinking my preparation is over. I have done enough for these examinations and I started clearing almost all the examination. But I found out one hard thing to clear, that is the civils. So how to prepare for the civils? Means preparing for the civils is entirely different for preparing for this other examination. Then I started reading is different from attending examination. So this is the very most important point, because examination is there now. To attend the examination is different from preparing for the examination. Attending examination, how the questions they are going to give, how to read and what to read from that book, it becomes very much important. For example, Lakshmikant book will be there, so almost 300 pages, 400 pages of book will be there. It becomes almost impossible to read almost 300 and 400 pages. But from the examination point of view, almost hardly 40 pages is required. 40 pages, only 40 pages. So now our preparation is very different from what I was doing before joining here. So if they give 400 pages book, so now what we are going to do, we are going to condense it for the 40 pages and we are going to revise it and make it very simplified so that we can attend the examination. See, apart from this, another thing is there, other area is there, that is training area, means examination training area. See, preparing for the examination is very different and writing in the exam is very different. This is what makes the difference in the examination, because there are many people in the Delhi, Andhra Pradesh, in Hyderabad who have prepared for almost 8 to 10 years, but they haven't cleared the prelims itself, because these prelims demands the examination training. You need to be trained how to write and which question to select and which question not to answer in the examination. This becomes very important from the examination point of view, because you can attend almost all questions, but you are not sure which question not to attend. These things, means these questions which you not to attend, you will get only from training in the examination, that is from the test series. So our sir is going to conduct that test.